100 songs. Yes, I mentioned to my friend Luis. I don't have live show almost, I think 20 days. Almost a month. Yeah, 20 days. I don't have any live show. Almost a month. And I'm so glad that I see you here. My forever, thank you so much. Baby Kate, I miss you. I'm good. I'm good, my friend Luis. Maybe by Wednesday, that's my schedule for my first concert. First concert. When I come back and when I come back in Bohol. So maybe Wednesday I will do singing.